The third product in our list is the VK Valor Kitchen. The VK Valor Kitchen, though similar in design to our last two entries, is much higher quality than the others. Broken down into three parts, the VK Valor Kitchen has many features that make it easy to strain and remove oils and fats from whatever you pour into it. Being able to break it down into three parts allows you to clean it swiftly and effortlessly. It also is dishwasher safe. We appreciated its heat-resistant Triton plastic build, the BPA-free guarantee, and its measuring scale on the side for easy access to your desired amounts of oil and fat straining. We also liked its 4-cup quantity structure and the bottom draining spout, which is made of silicone. The silicone drip plug makes it easy to drain the liquids with the press of your thumb on the handle for more convenience. Whether you decide to pour oil, fat, soup, juices, or sauces, the VK Valor Kitchen has you covered. Its multifunction capabilities make it extremely useful in your kitchen. The VK Valor Kitchen is the perfect way to make all of your favorite gravies, salad dressing oils, and much more. Along with its design and uses, it also comes with a free vegetable peeler with a non-slip handle and 2 stainless steel blades. Not only that, but the VK Valor Kitchen also provides its customers with a 3-year warranty for those who are not satisfied with their product. This will put your mind at ease and give you no excuse to try out this brilliantly built fat separator. Its pros are, it has a silicone sealing drainage plug. Its plastic construction is very durable, and it is easy to clean. However, it has shown signs of leaking after many uses in some cases. It would be a shame to pass on the VK Valor Kitchen when its design and functions are so useful.